Hey friends, the steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have years of experience working in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix this. One day, a Kenwood dishwasher came into the shop showing the E1 error on the panel. Our technician explained, E1 means the machine isn't getting enough water. Basically, it's not filling like it should. The first thing they did was check the inlet hoses to make sure there were no kinks or blockages. After cleaning and reconnecting everything, the dishwasher worked perfectly again. Later, another machine showed E1 intermittently. When inspected, the water filter was partially clogged. The technician said, if the water isn't flowing properly, the machine detects an error and stops. Cleaning the filter usually fixes it most of the time. After a quick cleaning and a restart, the dishwasher completed its cycle normally. On another occasion, a Kenwood arrived with E1 constantly displayed even though the water inlet seemed fine. Upon inspection, the technician found a faulty water level sensor. If the sensor is defective, the machine thinks there isn't enough water even when the tank is full. Replacing it solves the problem, he explained while swapping the part. Once the new sensor was installed, the error disappeared and the cycle returned to normal. Shortly after, a dishwasher came in showing E1 because the water inlet valve wasn't opening properly. One of the technicians said, the valve can get stuck or lose pressure. Replacing it allowed the machine to fill correctly and the E1 disappeared. This shows that some issues are mechanical, not electronic, and checking the basic components first can save both time and money.